Welcome to the topic Personal, Household, and Business Income. By the end of this topic, you will be able to define personal income, household income, and business income, identify sources of personal income, list the components of household income, describe how to calculate household income, recognize the types of business income, create a list of factors that affect business income. Let's learn what personal income is. Personal income is the total amount received by a person in exchange for a service or product. Personal income can come from a variety of sources, such as wages or salary from a job, dividends and distributions from investment, rentals from owning property, profit sharing from own or partner business. Note these important points about personal income. To determine personal income, one should add up all of the money earned by an individual. All payments given to people are considered personal income before taxes. Taxation mainly applies to personal income. Tax is the money that you need to pay to the government depending on your income or the value of property owned. You will learn in detail about taxes later. Let's understand the meaning of household income. The total income of all household members who are over a certain age is often referred to as household income. Every family member under one roof, including spouses and their dependents, is considered part of the household. Even if not all of the income is utilized to maintain the home, it still counts. Even if they are not related, everyone who lives in the house contributes towards the household income. To understand household income, let us look at this family and their incomes. The Verma family is a happy joint family that has the following members earning their income. Manoj works as a manager in a village factory and earns 50,000 rupee per month. Monica owns a tailoring shop and earns 20,000 rupee per month. Mr. Raj Verma gets a pension of 30,000 rupee per month. Mrs. Janki Verma earns 10,000 rupees from her craft business per month. What is the Verma family's total household income? Their household income is the sum of all the money they earn together, that is, 50,000 plus 20,000 plus 30,000 plus 10,000 is equal to 1,10,000 rupees. Let's understand the difference between personal and household income. The question arises, that is Monica's income, personal or household income? Monica's income of 20,000 rupee per month is her own personal income, but as she lives under the same roof as Manoj, Mr. Raj Verma and Mrs. Janki Verma, this contributes to the Verma household income as well. Similarly, all individual incomes of Manoj, Mr. Raj, Mrs. Janki are personal incomes, but collectively they become their household income. The sources of household income are Manoj's income as a salary from a job, Monica's income through self-employment, Mrs. Janki's income through self-employment, and Mr. Raj's income from pension as retirement income. Note these important points about household income. To understand the living conditions of different areas as good or bad, household income is sometimes used. It helps us to understand whether the people are living comfortably with all the basic requirements or facing some issues. To get a loan from a bank or other institution, your household income is checked. This is to make sure you can repay the loan. In addition to wages and salaries, it also includes self-employment income, your own business to run and earn from, as well as pension. Let's understand the meaning of business income. Money earned in day-to-day activities in a business is referred to as business income. It is a type of income which you earn on your own. Business income is regarded as regular income for tax purposes. Business profits are calculated after removing costs and losses from business income. Business income is of the following types: the income that is earned by selling goods, for example, tea shop, grocery stores, furniture shop, pharmacy. Income that is earned by providing services, for example, tailor shop, beauty parlor. The money that a business earns from its investments, such as rental money from property, renting a machinery or vehicle. Gross income refers to the income arising after deducting direct expenses from sales. From the taxation point of view, gross income is the income earned from various sources by an individual or enterprise. Technically, it is the gross total income or GTI. Net income is the total income after deducting all the expenses and set off and carry forward of losses. So, we could say that gross income is the aggregate income, but when we make deductions out of it, then we call it net income or net taxable income. Your business income is not your personal income. You should always draw a salary from your business to keep your personal income separate from the business income. The profit from your business should be kept separate from the salary. Always keep your business current account separate from your own personal savings account. Personal income is taxed based on individual tax brackets. Business income is taxed separately on the legal identity of the enterprise. Thank you.